Fellow workers, greetings from the Ministry of Labor as we launch another month of activities for observance of occupational safety and health in Guyana. As you are aware, the month of April has been designated Occupational Safety and Health Month in Guyana, with the 28th day of April being observed as Occupational Safety and Health Day. The 28th is also World Day for Safety and Health 2023 as designated by the International Labour Organization, ILO. This year, the observance of Occupational Safety and Health Month and Day in Guyana is being done under the theme "A Safe and Healthy Working Environment is a Fundamental Principle and Right at Work." And it is in keeping with the theme for World Day for Safety and Health 2023 as designated by the ILO. Further, it must be pointed out that a safe and healthy working environment is one of the 5 categories of fundamental principles and rights at work as outlined by the International Labour Organization. The other categories are freedom of association and the effective recognition of the right to collective bargaining, the elimination of all forms of forced or compulsory labor, the effective abolition of child labor, and the elimination of discrimination in respect of employment and occupation. These are all principles that the government of Guyana, through the Ministry of Labor, is guided by, and I'm also encouraging all employers to do the same. The need for safe and healthy working environment in workplaces cannot be overemphasized. Reports by the International Labour Organization and recent studies done have identified that there is a growing demand for environmental and occupation health and safety professionals in the construction and oil and gas sector in Guyana. In fact, it is the second highest skill needed in these sectors. On my assumption to office as Minister of Labor, I made visits to the 10 administrative regions of Guyana as I sought to rebuild the Ministry of Labor. During those visits, I recognized and confirmed the importance of occupational safety and health and its role in the development of Guyana. I recognized that the need existed for the Ministry of Labor to establish offices and have occupational safety and health officers stationed in all 10 administrative regions, and more in particular, Region 1, 7, 8, and 9. This position was taken for many reasons, which included the increased level of economic activities within the regions, the increasing number of fatal accidents within the mining sector, and the need for the promotion and maintenance of safety and health at work. Further, I recognize that there was not only the need to invest in building safety and health systems, but it was also important for all of us, employers, trade unions, and workers, to act together to build a safety culture in all workplaces in Guyana so that workplaces can be safer and healthier, thereby reducing workplace accidents. Today, the services of the Occupational Safety and Health Department have been expanded with the creation of 20 additional positions within the Occupational Safety and Health Department, with the provision of services throughout the 10 administrative regions of Guyana. In addition, the capacity of staff has also been strengthened through refresher training so that they are better equipped to deliver the kind of service that is required. This intervention has led to a significant uptake in the number of inspections done, an increase in the level of consciousness of safety and health at work by workers in both the public and private sectors and the informal economy, and surely contributed to the reduction of workplace fatalities. The investigation of workplace fatalities and serious workplace accidents have been a priority for the ministry. We have taken employees to court on several occasions for failure to comply with the occupational safety and health legislation, and will continue to do so when necessary. It is opposite to note that recently there was a fatality at the workplace, and as Minister of Labor, I have ordered that a formal investigation be conducted into the accident in keeping with the requirements of the Occupational Safety and Health Act, Chapter 9906, Laws of Guyana. A team of investigators has been appointed. The investigation has started and should be completed within the next few weeks. While workplace fatalities continue to be of great concern to the ministry, it must however be reported that there has been a continuing decline of the number of workplace fatalities when compared with previous years. In 2021, there was a 16% decline, and in 2022, there has been a 22% decline. It is therefore proposed to continue the focus on good workplace safety and health practices and the promotion of the joint responsibility system in workplaces as we work towards the development of a safety culture. As is customary, this year the Ministry of Labor has requested workplaces in Georgetown and Regions 1 to 10 to execute programs in observance of Occupational Safety and Health Month. I have been informed that the response to this request has been very positive. Workplaces have indicated a range of activities, from sensitization sessions, training programs, fire prevention and first aid, the hanging of banners, safety and health competitions, to hazard hunts. The department has also developed a program of activities, which includes the launching of the month, the annual OSH walk, and outreaches that will focus on the safety of miners and construction workers while at work and their safe return to families and friends at the end of the workday. In addition, the agriculture sector will be targeted in Regions 2, 3, 5, and 6. It is expected that the execution of these activities will redound to the benefit of the working people of Guyana and their families. Encourage those employers who have not made plans to observe Occupational Safety and Health Month to join us in doing so now, given that a safe and healthy working environment is a fundamental principle and right at work. I thank you.